Okay, so we're getting ready to take off to Shawnee this weekend. We're gonna go and try to take a look at some of the waterfalls. We've gotten a lot of rain here lately and I've seen some pictures and it looks pretty cool. So just gonna start packing up our stuff and getting ready to go. Pulling into Harrisburg, which is the self-proclaimed gateway to the Shawnee, so we're almost there. Just figured I'd get a little footage of us pulling into town. So. We're at Warden Falls, so it's flowing today, just not as good as I'd hoped it would be. I don't know, it looks good. Okay, so here's the upper portion of the falls. I got flowing pretty good today, not bad. So I'm gonna make my way up to the big rock, Warden Falls up here. See how that looks today. I'm hoping it looks pretty cool. Not bad today, not bad. Rain, it is muddy up here today, but it did finally make the falls flowing pretty good. And it turns out that it's about 45 degrees today, so it's actually what I was hoping it would be today. The waterfalls are going. I'm pretty excited to go and see Jackson Falls today because I'm pretty sure it is probably pretty wet too. All the waterfalls here at Warden Falls are looking really great. So just as I expected, a lot of water in the falls today. Looks beautiful. I'll have to go down and get better pictures. Okay, so we've been here for maybe 30-35 minutes. I think we're gonna head to Jackson Falls and get some more footage. Maya made me get her camera out so she could do some footage also. Let's go around this way, babe. Step on the root there. Yeah, go ahead. I got you. There you go.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, so there's a lot of water in the creek today, so I'm betting Jackson Falls is gonna be pretty gnarly. So, Maya's cool. Way cooler than I am. My YouTube channel's only got 5 subscribers right now.
I guess I can get
I guess since we're talking about it, if you are watching my videos, do me a favor and share them. Share and subscribe if you're not. I'm gonna walk down this way, I think. What?
Does the screen stay on after you turn it off?
No.
Ah!
What, buddy?
I'm trying to scare you.
You tried, didn't you?
Yeah.
My girlfriend just was wondering why her camera wasn't working. It was all black. And then she realized the lens cap was on.
Oh yeah, that is what I was hoping to see. Lots of water running off of it today.
See if I can't get some good footage with my drone at least.
Hold my hand so I can look over.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold on to it.
So she can. Yeah, I mean it's beautiful.
Yeah, the water's blue today. Nice and clean. A lot of water flowing off of that sucker. My drone is going to get some awesome footage of the falls today.
Okay, so we're on our way back. This completes my Shawnee National Forest waterfall hunt today. It took us to Burden Falls, and then we followed the signs to Jackson Falls, and both are flowing really well today after all this rain that we've got. If you have any questions or comments about my content or locations of our filming, feel free to hit me up, and don't forget to like and subscribe.